All gaming activities in Meghalaya will be regulated
Then the
following the
next
approval of the
item which was
Meghalaya
taken up
Regulation
was
of Gaming Ordinance
the
2021 by the
proposal to
Meghalaya
notify
Cabinet
the
today.
Meghalaya Regulation of
Briefing the
Gaming
media
Ordinance
after the cabinet
2021.
meeting, Prime Minister James Sangma informed that this step will help the
So
state
in this,
government increase revenue collection.
I'd
He
like to
said that
inform you
gamings
that
that are carried online will also come under the purview
in a
of
bid
the
to
regulation.
increase revenue collection by ways of improving the existing taxation acts and through embracing the usage of technology and also by tapping new resources to generate revenue, the taxation department has seen that through the use of information technology, gaming today has emerged as one of the most popular pastimes globally, and Meghalaya is no exception. And the gaming through the use of information technology generates revenue to the entity involved in the operation of online gaming server through acceptance of stake money and advertisements. So in order to regulate gaming within the state and to bring revenue to the state government, we felt it necessary to enact a law for the same, and therefore the draft ordinance was placed uh, in front of the cabinet for its approval. And the views of the law department, the finance department had been sought, and both have given their approval to it, and it was discussed today in the cabinet, and the cabinet has approved the proposal to notify the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Ordinance 2021.